guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Vine-O box. This one is shipping now and will be arriving in time for Valentine's Day in case you do want to gift this to someone like yourself, because yourself is awesome. Anyway, Vine-O, if you are not familiar, is a quarterly subscription, so it comes out seasonally, and it has 2 bottles of wine in it, as well as some wonderful lifestyle items that are meant to help you relax and rejuvenate and, you know, feel wonderful. There's usually some treats in here, and you can get either 2 bottles of red, 2 bottles of white, a bottle of red and white, or you can get sweet wines, which I think is awesome. Whew, okay, so let's see what we have. Okay, so this top box will be all of my lifestyle goodies, and then in the bottom I have my wines. So this box is supposed to be worth like $150 plus, and it is regularly $59.99, but I do have a discount code for you guys, and that gets you $10 off plus an extra bottle of wine. Okay, so I have a Sauvignon Blanc, sounds lovely, and a New Crush red wine blend. I'm excited about both of these. So if you are interested in getting this, definitely make sure that you check out the description box for all of the information. Okay, let's see what the goodies are. Okay, so they always give you this little packet of cards that tells you about each of the products, and a lot of times they have little discount codes in there if you want to repurchase a specific item, or maybe just get more from that company, whatever. This is the Oh La La box, by the way. Good Things Coming planner. This retails for $15. Oh, this is fun. I like this. It's not so big that it takes up your entire desk, but it's also not so small that you can't actually fit things in there. This is great. I love this. Ooh, some wine charms. These are cute. Let's see. Foxy Originals wine charms. And these are $23. These are really cute. Okay, I know these are super shiny, so it's probably having a hard time focusing, but they're cute little, you know, gold wine charms to put around the stem of your glass. And they say, let's see, there's one with X's and O's, kiss. This one just has lips on it. This one says love, a heart, and cheers. These are really cute. Lalicious Velour Body Melt, Sugar Kiss, Protect and Perfect. What is this? Okay, so it's made with coconut oil, and it has this whole like warning on here about it possibly melting because it, you know, in colder temperatures, coconut oil solidifies, but if it gets hot, it liquefies. So this is interesting. It has all of these different uses for it. I'm so curious about this product. Okay, so here's the jar. It's like a tub. It is cold, so I'm hoping that this is solid. Yeah, solid. Phew. Okay, so it smells good. What do you want to melt? Hair and scalp mask, control flyaways and treat split ends, makeup remover, body moisturizer, shave oil, stretch mark prevention, hand and foot mask, moisturize cuticles, before and after sunbathing treatment. Protect and perfect with this innovative gel to oil formulation. Restore dewiness and quench dryness with this intensely nourishing body melt. This rich formula sinks into skin for an effortless, touchable finish. The innovative treatment contains cold-pressed coconut oil and organic cold-pressed Kalahari melon seed oil, which has naturally high levels of antioxidants. These powerful naturals help defend skin against pollution and sun damage. Fascinating. I am truly curious about this. I'm actually just gonna put some on my hands, like as a moisturizer. Okay, so it's not like soaking in right away, but it's also not quite as greasy feeling as just straight up coconut oil. I'm excited about using that. That actually seems really cool. Ooh. Candy Club You Make Me Melt. Irresistible rounds of sea salt caramels covered in rich, dark chocolate. I might have to eat one of these right now. Ooh, they're like little chocolate balls. Mmm. 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 That is yum. The caramel is like a stiffer, you know, it's not super gooey. Okay, and then the last thing in here a set of wine glasses, wine for two. I always end up breaking wine glasses, so I have a total hodgepodge mix of glasses now. But I love that, you know? Oh my gosh, I love this. How cute is this? It has like the pink bottom and the lips on it. This is perfect. It's a nice big size too. Oh, and this one has X's and O's. These are super cute. Although I can't use my wine charms with it. That's okay, because I do have several stemmed glasses that I will use these for. I need to get wine charms that I can use for stemless glasses because I'm getting more and more stemless ones. And I had these ones that had a suction cup on them, but they constantly fell off, so I stopped using them. Anyway, what a fantastically wonderful, wonderful box. Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box if you do want to check out Vine O. And I've done several other Vine O unboxings if you want to check those out as well, so you can get a better idea of the types of things that you would get in your box. But it's always fun and wonderful things, plus really delicious wine. And every single wine that I've had from them has been great, and these are awesome crowd pleasers. I really like to save these and bring them to parties or bust them out for like girls' night and things like that, and they always go over really, really well. So anyway, make sure you check out the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!